be showing you a tutorial for a sun-kissed lived-in colour on my model today. This is my sister Danielle. She has just a very small sprinkle of grey coverage, which I'm going to be using Red Ken colour gels to cover. And as you can see here, she has some kind of lightness all through here just from previous lightening. She wants to stay looking and feeling like a brunette, so I'm not going to be lightening any of these ends. I'm just going to be bringing some of the brightness up more towards the face. So I'm going to be doing more of a face frame focused placement and then just adding a little bit of shimmer all through the parting as well. So I'll be using colour gels, shade EQ, and for my lightener I'm going to be using Flashlift Bonder Inside 25 volume, so half 20, half 30, just because I'm working with a very dark base, so like a level 4. So I'm just going to start at the nape and I'm going to be doing 3 back-to-back baby lights and then 1 tease above, and that's all I'm going to be doing for the back, because we want to keep this really dimensional. We already have this little bit of brightness already going through. Okay, so I've just done 2 back-to-back baby lights. I'm just going to show you the last one, and I'm just working off the root as I'm going to be smudging this out anyway. So really fine sections. And then with this little drop out here, I'm just going to do a small weave and then tip that out. Let's do 1 push. And then I'm going to over direct it towards the face. And then just feather that up. I'm just going to do 1 more section, 1 inch above the back-to-back baby lights on a back diagonal section. And we'll do more of a textural weave. Okay, so that's all I'm doing for the back. So we have 3 back-to-back baby lights, 1 tip out and then 1 textural weave. So now starting around the hairline. So I'm just going to pop my tail comb into the hair and then just zigzag the natural hairline out. So this small section here. And I'm just going to do really fine baby light. Done 3 back-to-back baby lights. I'm going to leave all this section out under here, so it's already got some brightness. And I'm just going to connect the face frame around here. So I'm just going to do another really fine baby light. Top section here, I'm going to be working on a diagonal just to maintain as much dimension as possible, and I'll be doing all textural weaves. Coming to the money piece section, and obviously where we haven't got a straight line here, I'm just gonna put my comb to the scalp and then just zigzag this all out. So I'm just gonna get this little baby section here. So I'm just following my sister's natural hairline. And again, I'm gonna be doing 3 back-to-back baby lights. So I'm just going to take one more section behind this money piece and do more of a textural weave. So here is the finished result. So as you can see, it's really soft. She still looks like a brunette, but just like it's been lightened in the sun. It's come out so beautiful. The face frame is really nice and soft. So you want to come a bit closer so you can kind of see. It's always here. And really dimensional, so you kind of got those pops and ribbons coming all through here. Beautiful. And I've just waved it all with the GHD straighteners, all going off the face, and then all combed out afterwards. So if you put your head down a bit, so you can see all this root. So really nice and shiny. Even though we've used the permanent and the colour gels, it still looks like a demi-permanent colour, which is why I love the red can colour so much. But yeah, that's the finished result.